The interviewer gave the interviewee something, and he said, sell it to me. You know what the interviewee said? Do you need it? In my mind, I said, you are failed already. Because the purpose behind selling is not whether they need it or not. They are the ones to determine that. You are the ones to show them that they can even buy it ahead. Huh? Somebody said, and I agree with him, that a good salesman can convince you at 25 to buy a coffin now, planning for your death. That one day you will need it. And do you realize that the price of coffins are going up? So it's an investment. Salespeople can convince you to buy anything. Good salespeople. And they have convinced me so many times to buy many things, but now I have my own strategy that if I'm feeling under pressure to buy it, I will not buy it. I'll give myself 3 days. Then, the moment a salesman makes the mistake of saying they don't make it again, that is the last set, that's on for me. If it's so good and many people are demanding, the company should be making more. The moment they are not making more, I'm not buying.